Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Market just opened up here and we are underway. So I'll go ahead and pause for now, and if I see an opportunity arise, I'll get the video rolling. All right, going for a put here at 38.50. So I'm trading options here. You're going to cancel it out, and I'll go to 37.50. If you're not sure what options are, just comment down below option guide, and I'll link you to a free class I put together called The Big Basics of Options. Walk you through all the terminology, how things work. Options can be made very complicated, so sometimes people are intimidated whenever they hear that word, but they don't have to be. They can be approached in a more simplified way, and that's how I like to approach them. Just a simple way. So if that's how you like to approach things too, then I'm confident that guide can help you out. Okay, I was close to being... So I'm going to go to 36.50 now. All right, I will pause. All right, going for put here at 38.50. No. Let's go to 38 instead. All right, I'll pause. I'll keep a close eye on it. And I should note that I'm watching the chart, yes, but then down here is what I also want to see. I want to see that number drop a little bit below 38, which would turn that white order into green, meaning I was able to buy. So that's the number I'm mainly watching right now. In fact, I'm going to change this out now to 37.70. All right, I'll pause. I'll keep a close eye on it. Okay, I have an order at 39, in at 39 for a call. See what it wants to do here. See if we can get a bounce. All right, just taking $50 there. Try to give a little bit more time, but kind of putzing around here. Yeah, now as it comes red, I'd be back in losing territory. So I gave it a chance to come up. It was looking good, got a nice candle there, was coming up, looking good, and then just based on the level twos, which is over here, things just didn't seem right. And to, not to break, because for those of you longtime viewers, you've seen that I, do plenty of things, but that one played that one very smart, because as you can see here now coming back down. So bummer. All right, well, I mean, I still made $50, but bummer in the sense of it was looking good, like it might have gotten a turnaround bounce, and then it did not. It came back down, although I am potentially interested again to try to play a call. Would be interested down around the 85-ish mark. So, okay, well, $38.50. Nope, tried there. All right, let's see if it wants to come down there. to that blue line. Go ahead and change strike prices again. Change strike price. What are you talking about? Again, just comment below option guide and I will link you to that. Yeah, so 39. Yeah, right around 39 should be good. So throw that order out there. So let's see if this thing wants to pull back a bit more. I will pause. Have an order at 38.70 here for a call. So it needs to come down just a little bit more. At this point, I'm going to go to 37.70. Getting close. All right, I will pause. All right, gonna go for put here at 42. Got that at 42. Well, that was a little concerning. All right, out for another $50. Concerning because I thought as soon as I entered in that 42.50, I was going to be out instantly, and I wasn't. Once again, started to come down. Now it's coming back up, so played that right as it's popped up more than what I would wanted it to. And I thought I would get some continuation to the downside. So again, like I said, I realize I may sound like very into myself with the way I'm talking right now, but if you watch past videos, you know that the opposite has happened plenty of times too. But once again, I read that one very, very nicely. I mean, that one thought, okay, let's see. Oh, I better get out. Not that I would have held through that thing and taken a massive loss. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying I'm glad I took the green when I had it. And same thing here. Started to come back down a little bit, and now upwards. No, it still may come back down, but I mean, that's all hindsight trading. But nonetheless, so two trades that worked, but not worked the way I was wanting and I'm hoping they'd work. I was looking for more than the $50, but you know, I guess can't complain too much about things not really working yet. You're still making money from them. So especially, I mean, what did that whole trade last? 30 seconds, $50. I mean, I'm not a greedy goblin. I'm no greedy savage. I'll be grateful for it. All right, I'll pause. All right, gonna try for put here at 43.50. Oh, looks like I missed that one. A little too slow on the trigger. Never mind, I'll pause. Well, here's one that was a bad read to kind of keep things balanced here, but granted, all hindsight, but yeah, had I just hung strong and you know, put the order back in there and just left it there, that would have been a fantastic entry. So there's one. Got that one wrong for sure. I'll pause. Okay, I have an order at 40.50 here for a put. Well, it was close for a second. I will pause. Okay, maybe here I'm at 40.20 now. In at 40.20. And out for $80 on that one. Very good. I will go ahead and pause. All right, going to go for call here at 39.50. Well, let's go to 38.50 at this point. Might have been too slow on the trigger on that one. I'll pause. All right, going for, got that a call at 40. And out there at, or I'm sorry, got a call at 40.50. Out at 41. stumbling over my words because I was looking at something else. I looked over and then this big drop just happened. So I kind of stumbled in, got my order in. So that's, these are live. So I'm trying to talk, think through things, or enter orders all at once. But there we go. Got a very, very fast $50. That trade lasted, I don't know, all of 2 seconds maybe. And so up 230 now. Commissions, we'll call it right around 220. And I'm going to go ahead and call it good. Not even 11:30. I like to be done usually by 11:30 for sure, because that would be a couple hours. But in this case, about 90 minutes, and 230 with commissions 220, so well over $100 an hour, and I'm very happy with that. And as to build context, I work from home. I have multiple streams of income, and I do this as one of many side hustles just to bring income in. I do real estate investing. I have the teaching business, the community at claytrader.com, which you should definitely go check out. So many other streams of income, and and where I'm at in life, a father of 6 kids. I want to have the freedom of time. That's what I'm ultimately after. Now, if I was after the private jet, which is, if that's your goal, cool. But if I was after the private jet, then yeah, I need to be making more than, $100 an hour. But that's just not where I'm at in life. I don't need that. I don't want that. If you want it, cool, go for it. Hope you get it. But that's just not where I'm at. So if I can put, like I said, get a over $100 hourly rate, spending my time doing something, yeah, I'll spend my time doing it, especially when it required 0 gas. It required me burning some calories to walk from my bedroom into my office and do some trading. So there's I think a lot of benefits to, if you're looking to create some additional income, to considering day trading as a side hustle. So that is all I have for you. Thanks for hanging out. As always, if you appreciate this, hit that like button, leave a comment below. Have a good one. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only 1 losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.